Your first 12-week year as an individual or as an organization is more about installing the 12-week year than it is the results you're going to get. And I say that because if you install the 12-week year properly, you're going to be able to leverage it for every 12-week year till infinity, until you're done. Although we have tens of thousands that have accomplished more in that very first 12 weeks than they did the prior year. But that's not a concern. The concern is let's get it implemented. Let's get it installed. And the truth of the matter is planning is a skill set. 12-week planning is different from any other planning you've done. And so the first plan you write, it will probably be your worst plan. As you apply yourself each 12 weeks, you hone that in. You get a better understanding of the difference between goals and tactics, how to write tactics, your capacity as an organization or an individual to execute. And so the second plan typically is better structured than the first one, the third, and that's the way it works. Every 12 weeks, as I said, is a learning opportunity. So we can learn and grow from that. If you're liking this and you're ready to really embrace the 12-week year and make the next 12 weeks the best 12 weeks of your life, go to my bio, click on the link, join us for our workshop.